Let's learn how to share your clips with the Owlfam team. First, navigate to the History section, where you can either scroll through events or use the filter feature to find specific clips. The filter option is particularly useful when selecting event types to share with the Owlfam team. To share your video, locate your desired video clip. Click the three-dot menu icon next to the clip. Select Share to Owlcam, followed by tapping Next. Next, let's enter a title for your clip. Optionally, please provide your email and Instagram handle. We appreciate this information as it allows us to tag and thank you for sharing. Once you see the success message, your clip has been submitted.